How to find square root of 9 by division method? Here we have to take a number and in such a way that the square of the number will be equal to 9 or nearest lower to 9. So if I take here, look, 4, then 4 square equal to 16, which is greater than 9. But if I take here 3, 3 square equal to 9, which is equal to this. So the appropriate number will be 3. If you take here 3, so 3 times 3, 9. Okay, and even 3 times 0, and for new divisor, here you have taken 3, so this 3 will come here and you need to add 3 plus 3, 6. Look, the double of this 3 is 6. Okay, so this is the indication that your process is correct. So the square root of 9 is 3.